If you want to make your header background to be transparent while your content is right behind it, I'll show you how to do it in this short video, so let's start. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. First we will hover over the Edit with Elementor option here, then we will hover over the header part here, and then I'm going to right click here and open link in new tab. Just to have a preview here opened and we can compare what's happening while we're making the changes. So we will go to the newly opened tab. In it we should click on our container here, and as you can see in my case the header minimum height in my case is 80 pixels, in your case it might be something different or it might not be entered at all. In case if your field here is empty, it will be nice to define the minimum height right now, otherwise the changes made from this video might not work for you as well as they should. So, in my case 80 pixels is minimum height of the header. First we need to go to the style and double check if we have a defined color for the background. In my case we have this purple color defined here. We can simply turn it off by clicking this icon here. And we can just double check if we don't have any background overlay color defined here. Since this field here is empty, it's not defined. After disabling the color here, we can go to the Advanced tab, and in the Advanced tab under the Layout and Margin field we are going to unlink these values here and type the bottom margin to be minus 80 pixels. But in my case I usually prefer adding a few pixels more, so in this case we will add minus 85. After defining that, we will go to the Z index field here and we will type 999 to this field, so the header will be always on top of the content no matter what. And then we can go to the Publish Changes and we can return to our home page and refresh it. And as you can see, we already did it, at least for the desktop version. Now we are going to return to our editing of the header, and then we will edit responsiveness of our header just to make sure that everything works as it should. We will switch to the tablet for first and go to the layout. Here we can see that our minimum height is still 80 pixels and the bottom margin is minus 85 like on the desktop version. And then we can switch to the mobile view. Under the mobile view you can see that order of widgets is changed a little bit since they needed the space to fit into this size of the screen. And on the left side you can see under the Layout tab you can see that minimum height is 105 pixels. But when we switch to the Advanced tab, we can see that it's still carrying over minus 85 pixels that we defined for the desktop view, which is not enough in this case, and we will unlink the values here also and type here minus 110 pixels, increased by 5 pixels similarly to the 85 pixels earlier, and publish the change here. And after publishing these changes we are all done. We can return to our home page, refresh it, and then we can inspect the page to see if the mobile version is okay. By clicking this icon here we will switch to the mobile view, and then we can increase or decrease the size of the screen, and as you can see it works even for the mobile version as it should. In case if you want your header to be sticky and stay on top of the pages when you are scrolling down, I have a separate video on my channel, so check it out. So that would be pretty much it. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel to see more videos like these. In case if you need the Elementor Pro version, please visit the link from the description of the video. In case if you liked this Elementor template, you can also get it from the link from the description, and see you in the next video. Bye!